how to change region on the Amazon Flex app. Here's how it works. Open up Amazon Flex and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you have signed into your account, then we're just going to wait for it to load. It's a little bit slow currently. Now here you will see interest list or your area of delivery. Now what we have to do is to click on the question mark in the top right corner and then select contact support. If we select contact support, then it's going to load up a bunch of articles here, not too many, and you should see region change. Click on region change, this option. It's going to tell you that you can change your interest list or your zip code every 90 days. And if there are any available spots, then it's going to change your region to that new zip code. So essentially all you have to do is to go back to the home screen, here where it says interest list for me, and you will need to click on update. It's not letting me click update currently because I've already changed my region here today. But what you have to do is to type out a new zip code, click on update here, and then if there are any available delivery jobs, your region will update on Amazon Flex. I hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.